What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Juju Jinsu here, also known as the Fashion CEO, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 hottest trends of 2025 to come. And these trends are going to get you a foot ahead of everybody else. You're already going to know what to wear. You're already going to know what to style. You're already going to know what to look for all my fashionistas who stay on top of their A game. This video is to give you that extra tip on what is going to be trending next year. I've kind of been studying fashion trends all year, specifically for this reason. I own a fashion brand. For those of you who don't know, I own the brand Jinsu. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook. And the brand is basically solely dedicated to custom fashion. I make probably 1 out of 4 pieces exclusively, and I do not duplicate or do mass producing for any of my pieces, so that way my clients have one-of-a-kind pieces and they can only get it from the one and only. So that is what I do. Now back to the video. So in today's video, I have taken a few notes from my fashion Bible, should I say, that I've created over the last few years that are fashion trends and predictions of fashion trends to come. So starting with trend number 1, metallics. So next year, metallics are really going to be taking the forefront. You're going to see a lot of blazers. You're going to see a lot of statement belts. You're going to see shiny metallic shoes and boots. You're going to see people really putting their best foot forward and standing out and making themselves shine, should we say. And this is going to be really good to see. This is going to give an innovative energy. We are in the age of creators and we are innovators, and this is really going to show up in our fashion for 2025. That is going to be so good to see, let me just tell you. So trend number 2. Trend number 2 is sheer. Now, honey, when we're talking sheer, we're talking layers. We're talking think translucent like bralettes and corsets, things of that nature. Sheer is really going to be something fun. You're going to see a lot of this come up in the spring, where girls are going to be very, girls and guys are going to be very bold with their statements when it comes to sheer. And that's going to be something that I think everybody's really going to have fun with, because like I said, next year is really an innovative energy. So sheer is going to be bold. It's going to be something that's going to cause some people who probably wouldn't wear something see-through to actually give it a go. Trend number 3 is streetwear. So streetwear is not going nowhere. It's always going to be here to stay. Let me tell you, I believe that streetwear has a huge fashion influence, especially in this day and age. And next year it's going to have an even better feel, reaching a more selective audience. So think luxury meets comfort for next year's streetwear. The designer, I forget her name, I'm so sorry, but she makes these hats, these like fitted hats. I've seen her like on Instagram, and they have like appliques and diamonds and all these pearls and stuff. That is like a blend of what you'll see next year, but you'll see it like on bomber jackets, and you'll see like the wide leg pants with like really nice luxury touches to them, extra pockets. You're gonna see a lot of militant style pants. I'm talking about pockets. Nowadays we can never have too many pockets. The more the better. It makes, you know, for us. But yeah, so that is something that you will see for next year as well with the street fashion. Can't wait to see those trends. And you know, it's meant to give like should I say a bold effect on most of the fashion next year. The next trend is trend number 4, and this trend is my ultimate favorite trend. This is going to be the romantic maximalist trend. This trend is so sweet and enduring. You're going to see a lot of think Bridgerton, okay, meets red carpet. You're going to see a lot of bold dresses and just really nice well crafted silhouettes. You're gonna see drama. You're gonna see a lot of big wide shoulders and ruffles, and you're gonna see people really push the envelope. I'm telling you, it's going to be so refreshing to see this romantic energy, because like I said, I'm a lover girl, so this is gonna be my favorite trend for next year. And then our final trend is going to be the playful color block. Now next year you're going to see color block galore. People are going to be so bold with colors. It's kind of going to be back like how it was, not necessarily 80s style, but the color boldness for sure. You're going to see people really pushing the envelope and standing out. If you're one of those people who loves to kind of use your uniqueness and express yourself through color, this is going to have your name written all over it. Is going to be your chance to shine. I suggest that you get your pieces already ready, because honey, it's gonna be all eyes on you. So that is all 5 of the trends that will be trending next year, and these are your top 5 trends. These trends, like I said, get fun. We're creatives, we're innovators, you guys. If you're alive right now in this day and age, you are in the Aquarius age, you are an innovator. I suggest that you take advantage and express yourself through fashion. It is so liberating, and it is so good to know that you can kind of just do whatever and be yourself. Fashion is one of the most expressive forms of art, and you get to wear it. So I encourage you all to take that leap and go ahead and start getting your wardrobes ready, because 2025 is almost here. And if you have any bold fashion ideas that you plan on doing for next year, drop them in the comments. I would love to hear them. I actually am going to be preparing some of my own to share with you guys as well. So it was so nice to have you guys tuning in on this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to your girl, and I will have more videos coming for you guys. Stay tuned. Thank you again, your girl Juju Jinsu, Fashion CEO. Till next time.